Good night. This is a very short practice to relax before sleeping. And yes, I just come from the street, so a way to calm down, and it's really, really efficient. So the idea is the yawning breathing, and the idea is that when to bring the jaw forward. It's like what happened? So you will hear the ears have to block because the jaw goes forward. So it's forward and down. And in that motion, it really blocks the ear. And you want that because that's a particular thing of yawning. And you want the breath to hear through the ears. So we are going to connect that with the shoulders and doing a circle with the shoulders. So we are going to go with the shoulders in front and then up, very tight, and the face will contract, and then backwards and then down, like with your hands you want to push down and you make sound. Let's do it a few times and let's see how it is. So you exhale fully, all it out, and as you inhale, raise your shoulders. Contract the face. Make sound. Do it again. Exhale fully through the ears. Push down. Yeah. And let's do it one more time. Contract faces. Open the mouth. Oh, maybe some natural yawning may come, or maybe not. And yes, basically that's it. You can massage with the neck, the face, like just, and cover your ears with your hands, listening the sound of the hands on the ear, like blocking a bit and feeling this inner sound. All the face, with the thumb, your head. Oh, yeah. Massaging, yes. And let's do one more. Exhale fully. As you inhale. Now backwards with the shoulders. Exhale fully. Ears, breathing. Exhale, stretch. And breathe in and just let's go. And good night. If you feel, you can turn the phone off